So you remember we did last time, right? We did chunking and monemic devices. These are your notes from last time. If you want to look over for a couple minutes. So,
Actually, I thought about it like I thought about that's the thing I was kind of upset about is the gallon one.
okay.
20 miles each.
Yeah, that's the problem that we left off at. We didn't solve it, so we're going to start the third lesson today with that. So what was upsetting to you about
Yeah, we just like 1 2 times I still can get through it. But like now it takes 9 gallons from the because for every 20 miles to the nearest dollar to travel 180 miles costs $2.98. I'm trying to determine how many gallons is it in 180 miles. So 20 miles is 1 gallon. So add that up until you get 180, which in total is 9 gallons each.
Wow, pretty good. Pretty good. But so you see, you solved this what in less than what? I'm not even gonna say like a minute. Remember? So, all right. So you solved number four. Then you just did it in your head. That's a really good sign. Actually, you could cross off number four. So answer's number nine. Right? I mean number one, which is nine. How about this? Today I want to do something that I think is really helpful. Can you create a problem such as number four with different numbers for me to solve?
Like the same example with different numbers.
Yeah, so what can you do? Like, if you go and put it on the board, or you could write it. You could write it here, and I'll do it on the board. Right. Let's do it here, right? Start here. So the scenario is that as a car is using gasoline per every X number of miles, right?
Yes.
A gallon of gas costs Y dollars. How much does it cost to the nearest dollar if the person travels a given amount of miles? How can you make a problem for me?
Sorry for taking a while.
No, that's good. I think this is one of the better problems to understand. If you understand this, then you're on the right track.
We're still working on comprehension of
Text.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the main portion for this entire unit that we're doing, the explanation and comprehension of text.
I wasn't sure that it's in your dollar should I change to 10 because I'm clear for
No, there's dollars. No, hold on. Um, I think this number, you can switch it around to make it like an even example to, um, 360. Alright, so now you're the teacher, I'm the student, I'm coming to you, I'm going to read you the problem, and you're going to do it on the board for me, matter of fact. I think that's better. So I'm coming to you, right? So I'm telling you that I'm faced with this difficult problem, which is, so we covered devices, we covered, chunking, structure note taking, we covered monolithic devices, right? So this is basically all comprehension, right? So I'm coming to you, and I'm telling you, the problem says there's a car, so I'm picturing a car. It uses 1 gallon of gas for every 45 miles, right? So to me, for every 45 miles that I go, let's say I have a tank full of gas, right? And every step down is going to be 45 miles. Let's say every step is a gallon, right? And if I travel 45 miles, it goes down, right? If I travel another 45, it goes down, right? If I fill it up with 1 gallon, it goes up, right? So that's what I'm picturing in my mind, that the gas, the gasoline meter is moving up or down, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so a car uses 1 gallon of gas for every 45 miles it travels. If a gallon of gas costs $5, so now I've realized with my structuring that, okay, 45 miles, 5 miles. How much will it cost to the nearest dollar to travel 300 miles? Now I'm confused. So your job as a teacher is, how are you going to structure this on the board for me right now as a notes? Then how are you going to solve it for me as notes? Alright? So go ahead, I'll be the student and you be the teacher for this. Yeah. I'll sit over here, give you more space. Don't write the exact problem out, you write the structure notes. How will you start? Good. So you're chunking the material up for me, right? You're making it like more concise. Concise means another word for, let's say, I can explain to you an event in 5 sentences or 15 sentences. The 5 sentences is more concise. So if you can get the same amount of information with using less English. So basically that's what you're doing. You're making it more concise and you're structuring it, right? Okay. 360. So you gave me 3 sets of information, right? The first one is 45 miles per gallon. The second one is every gallon costs $5. And the total mileage for the trip is 360, right? So the question is, how much would it cost for me to travel 360 miles, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so as you're the teacher, you should start, because I don't know what's going on right now. I'm a confused student who doesn't know how to begin. divided. Yeah, 45. Maybe you want to write it out as line of division. That's probably not much, right? So you could write everything. Write line of division or something. Maybe you want to list out the multiples of 45, right? Because 45 is not going to go to 3 over 26. It's going to go to 360, but maybe you could start like 45 and then 45 times 1, 45 times 2, and see when do you get 360. Yeah. Hmm? 90, right? And you keep adding 45 for every single one now. Keep adding 45. Yep. No, 45 times 4 is 180. As soon as you get 180, you should think twice now, right? So you got 180. What is half of 360? There you go. So how many times did you have to multiply 45 to get 180? And so you got to multiply 45 by 8 times to get 360, correct? Alright, so that's your answer. 45 goes into 360 8 times. Okay. So is that, alright. So is that 8 gallons, $8, 8 miles? What does that 8 mean? Gallons. Yeah. Alright, so 8 gallons. Total, we're using 8 gallons, right? So what did the question want to know?
How much will the gas cost to travel 360 miles?
Alright, so now you know how many gallons you're going to use. What about how much money are you paying for each gallon? How much money are you paying for each gallon? You have it right there, right? Gallon of gas costs $5. So it'll be, how would you get the total cost of 8 gallons? How much would 1 gallon cost you?
It times 5.
Exactly. You want to list that out? Yeah, it times 5. Mm-hmm. Alright. $40 is the answer, right? So I'm going on a 360 mile trip. Every gallon costs me 45 miles. That means I'm using 8 gallons, and each gallon costs me $5. And 8 times 5 is $40, which that's my budget for this trip, right?
Yes.
Alright, perfect. Good. Let's close this off.